And the people you see behind me are the premier mayors of the different local governments in Abia State. We are initiating the organization of premier mayors of Abia State. Dr. Alex Otti, the most performing governor in Abia State, chose specific people at the beginning of his government. He chose these people because of their credibility, the quality of education, the level of their achievements in life, to lay the foundation of Abia State local government. So we did our part, and the new guys are in, but we still have a stake in Abia State because this is our state. The governor is ours. We and the governor built up the foundation with which the state is moving forward. So we are getting together to put ourselves in order so we can continue supporting our principal, the Governor Alex Otti of Abia State, Chioma Ndabia. That's why we got together. This association, the Association of Premier Mayors of Abia State, will continue from now until God decides it will be dissolved. We will stay to help make Alex a second-term governor. That's already written. We are just going to put a stamp on it. As his people, he chose to lay the foundation. We will work together to make him the governor. That's already written, believe me. God already wrote that. But what we'll do is we will guide all the people to the right direction behind our leader, the one God sent to rescue Abia from those who put us in doldrums. So we'll continue. We will support him. We will even work, even after Alex has finished his 8 years. This association will work with the people to make sure the benefit of this government that is beginning to accrue will get to our people, even in the local wards. That's our goal. We have every mayor you see here had created a group of followers at the time they were in office. These people didn't run away. All we need to do, and what we are trying to do, is to bring them together again so we can keep doing the good work that Alex is doing to help them also get the benefit of the democracy they worked for. The definition is the Association of Premier Mayors, and only premier mayors will be member of this one. We expect that, look, the people know us. We started the government with the governor. We built up a bunch of people that worked with us for Alex Otti. We expect them to come back now that we are together so we can unite and help Alex again get reelected. Don't worry about little people pecking. When the hawk is flying, there's always a little bird that pecks. But let me say this to you. Alex is like a rod, it's like a whole leg of cow. All the people pecking are like ants. There's nothing an ant can do to a leg of cow. You can leave the leg of cow here and ants can gather and eat all they want. The next morning, the leg is still there. We are the support for that leg.